So we have a lot of customers contact us and they've done a little bit of digging online, or they've spoken to a few installers to try and get an opinion on what might be best, and they feel just confused by all the information available out there in the market. Someone said this about these panels, someone said that about the inverter, or which tariff should I select, should I go for this or that. We have been working at the forefront of this industry for the best part of 10 years, and we can give really, really candid, honest advice as to what might be best for you. So if you're stuck in the rut of information overload, or you're uncertain as to what could be right for you, pick up the phone, give JPS a call, and we're happy to just chat things through over the phone. We can advise, the pitfalls around, what maybe you shouldn't be doing, or where there could be a weakness in the system that someone else may or may not have identified. And we can put things in place early in the design of the system to make sure that that doesn't actually cause a problem. The last thing you want to do is spend a considerable amount of money on a system and enhancement for the home and not really have it function optimally. Because once you've got up there, put it all in, it's a real pain to get back up there and start fiddling with it. So our philosophy here at JPS is do it once, do it right, enjoy it for decades to come, and make sure you're, designing a system which is perfect for you.
JPS Energy, there for the journey.